Ready to explode your brand's visibility without spending a dime? First, tap into trending topics, jump on popular challenges or conversations, but always add your brand's unique spin, making sure it feels organic and not forced. Second, spark conversations, ask questions, run polls, or create a finished sentence prompt related to your product or service. This encourages direct interaction. Third, make it easy for users to participate. Provide clear instructions for creating content, like demonstrating how to use your product in a fun way or sharing their personal experiences. Fourth, incentivize participation. Offer small rewards like featuring the best submissions on your brand's page or giving a shout out to the creators. Fifth, promote user-generated content across all your channels. Share the best submissions on your website, social media, and even in your email marketing. Viral UGC is all about authenticity and connection. Focus on building a community that loves your brand and wants to share their experiences. Now go create some viral UGC magic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more free marketing tips, and use hashtag #FreeViralUGC and hashtag #ContentStrategy, your own UGC, to help spread the word.